The mysterious ocean depths. Most of the ocean is unexplored, hiding bizarre and terrifying creatures in the darkness. Powerful storms sometimes bring these creatures to the surface, giving us rare glimpses of what lies beneath. Some look strange, others look monstrous. Deep sea gigantism. In the coldest and deepest parts of the ocean, many creatures grow to enormous sizes, a phenomenon called gigantism. Squids, worms, sea spiders, and sponges grow far bigger than their shallow water relatives due to low temperatures, high pressure, and more oxygen in deep waters. Colossal and giant squids. The colossal squid is one of the largest known deep-sea animals, found in sub-Antarctic waters. It can be 14 times larger than a regular squid. The giant squid is even more terrifying, with a body up to 43 feet long and the power to crush a car. These squids survive by eating very little, just 1 ounce of fish a day. The abyssal zone, a dark world. Sunlight can't reach the abyssal zone, so no plants or algae grow there. Creatures feed on marine snow, tiny flakes of dead matter drifting from above. Life is slow, quiet, and energy-saving. Predators wait for prey to come to them instead of hunting. Greenland sharks, ancient survivors. These sharks live more than 7,000 feet deep, move very slowly, and can live up to 400 years. They grow extremely slowly and have antifreeze-like chemicals in their bodies to survive cold waters. Instead of hunting, they mostly scavenge. Why are deep-sea creatures so big? Scientists believe deep-sea gigantism is due to cold temperatures, slow metabolism, and more efficient energy use. Larger animals lose less heat, survive longer, and can eat bigger prey. This theory also explains why deep-sea creatures often grow larger than their surface counterparts. Giant sea spiders, normally tiny. Sea spiders grow up to 3 feet long in the cold Antarctic depths. The extra oxygen in cold water lets their bodies grow much larger, making them both fascinating and nightmare-inducing. Hydrothermal vents and giant tube worms. Near underwater volcanoes, scientists discovered giant tube worms living in toxic boiling water. They have no mouths or stomachs. Instead, they rely on bacteria inside them to convert chemicals into energy, using a process called chemosynthesis. Giant isopods, deep-sea scavengers. Looking like giant armored bugs, isopods live over 1,600 feet below the ocean's surface. They have claws for crawling, long antennae for sensing, and huge eyes for the dark. Sometimes they go 5 years without food, thanks to an ultra-slow metabolism. Island rule in the deep sea. A 2006 study revealed that the deep sea follows the island rule. In isolated environments with few predators, smaller animals tend to grow bigger. The deep ocean, like an island, has limited resources but also less competition, letting giants evolve. The Mariana Trench and beyond. The Mariana Trench near the Philippines is one of the deepest parts of the ocean at 36,200 feet. But it's not the deepest place on Earth. That title belongs to something man-made. The Kola Super Deep Borehole into the Earth's crust. In Russia, scientists drilled over 9 miles into the Earth. Down there they found voids, recorded extreme heat, and even heard what sounded like human screams. According to myths, a flaming creature emerged from the hole. The April Fool's hoax and netherworld myths. A newspaper article published on April 1st, April Fool's Day, claimed that scientists had accidentally opened a portal to the nether while drilling the Kola Super Deep Borehole. Though fictional, the myth spread quickly, making many believe horrific creatures had been released. But, as with all myths, there was a sliver of truth buried underneath. The engineering challenge. Not a straight hole. Drilling began in May 1970 through hard granite, but deeper down, softer layers caused the hole to collapse repeatedly. The drill path was redirected several times, and in the end, the borehole map looked like a tree with multiple root-like branches. Records broken, the deepest man-made hole. In 1979, scientists surpassed 31,400 feet, breaking world records. By 1990, they reached a final depth of 40,230 feet, 12.2 kilometers. That's as deep as Mount Everest plus 9 Empire State Buildings stacked on top, but still short of the Earth's mantle. Unexpected discoveries: moon soil and fossils. Surprisingly, soil at 2 miles deep matched the moon's surface composition, supporting theories that the moon was once part of Earth. In 2.8 billion-year-old rocks, scientists also found fossilized microscopic life, suggesting life started on Earth 1.5 billion years earlier than previously believed. Gold and geology. Scientists found gold particles, about 2.5 ounce per ton of soil. The deeper they went, the older the rock, revealing Earth's ancient geological history layer by layer. A massive ocean hidden below. Deep within the Earth, up to 370 miles down, scientists discovered a subterranean ocean. It holds more water than all surface oceans combined, with temperatures around 2,800 degrees Fahrenheit, trapped in crystallized minerals due to immense pressure. Ancient life trapped for millions of years. One of the most exciting finds came from a similar borehole in Antarctica, where scientists discovered Lake Vostok under ice 20,000 years old. The lake's water had been isolated for 15 million years. Alien-like bacteria. A chunk of ice retrieved contained a bacterium with only 86% DNA similarity to known organisms. Some speculated it came from space, but it's more likely an evolved, isolated life form, still unlike anything we've seen. Life in extreme conditions. Clues to life beyond Earth. This deep life research gives clues about life beyond our planet. For example, Saturn's moon Enceladus has a thick, icy shell, and beneath it, scientists believe a heated ocean exists. Could it harbor life like Earth's deep, dark waters? The Mariana Trench, Earth's deepest natural pit. Back on Earth, the Mariana Trench is the deepest known natural point in the ocean. Discovered in 1875 and remeasured in 1951 with better tech, it stretches 1,500 miles long and 43 miles wide, like a giant crescent scar beneath the sea. Conditions at the bottom: freezing, dark, and crushing pressure. At nearly 7 miles deep, light can't reach, temperatures hover just above freezing, and pressure is 1,000 times greater than at sea level. No human can survive without advanced submersibles. First descent into the abyss. In 1960, Jacques Piccard and Don Walsh became the first humans to descend in a submarine. They spent 5 hours descending and 20 minutes at the bottom, witnessing life scientists thought couldn't exist there. Final thoughts. What deep Earth teaches us from gold and moon dust to alien-like bacteria? The Kola borehole and Mariana Trench show how much we still don't know about our own planet. More than just depth, these places challenge science, rewrite history, and may even help us discover life elsewhere in the universe.